So for example, if I want to remix these reels, we'll have to just open the reel and click on the three dots icon and select remix, that is in the middle option. Click on it and it will open up this interface where you can remix your reel. Click on got it, and in order to edit this reel, click on edit video in the bottom left corner, and it will open up options like edit, trim, add text, stickers, and edit the volume and add filter to it. So you can do these in the edit section, and if you want to add your music to it or any music to it, click on search music and search for the music and click on that music in order to add it to that reel, and that music will be added. And we can also click on the camera icon on the top corner and it will load up your camera. We can select a video from gallery too, and in order to add our face to it or something from our camera, click on this icon and select this layout, and it will split the screen into two sections where you can use your camera and the reel will play alongside that video. So we have to hold this button and record our own video, and we can remix this reel easily by doing this. So that's how we can remix reels on Instagram. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.